Hello and welcome to FloRugby for today's rugby update. We've got some major news breaking with three legendary Irish players saying goodbye at the end of this year's Six Nations and a big time shake-up in the Springboks coaching staff. So let's dive right in. It's the end of an era for Irish rugby. Three icons in Peter O'Mahony, Cian Healy and Conor Murray have announced they'll retire from international rugby at the conclusion of this year's Guinness Six Nations Championships. These guys have done it all. 5 Six Nations titles, 2 Grand Slams, over 100 caps each. They've been at the heart of Ireland's success for over a decade. O'Mahony has been an absolute warrior at the backbone of Ireland's back row since 2012. He led them to Six Nations glory last year and even captained the British and Irish Lions in 2017 against the All Blacks in the first test. Healy, a front row machine, Ireland's most capped player ever with 136 appearances, 3 Rugby World Cups and a trophy cabinet stacked with silverware for both Ireland and Leinster. And then there's Conor Murray, one of the best scrum halves of his generation. He's won 5 Six Nations titles and toured with the Lions 3 times. Ireland's coaching staff and fans are determined to send them off in style with 2 games left in this year's Six Nations. So expect these legends to go out swinging as Ireland look to secure a 3rd consecutive Six Nations title, becoming the first team in history to do so. Switching gears, big coaching news coming for the Springboks today with Felix Jones is back with South Africa, rejoining Rassie Erasmus' staff just months after leaving the England setup. Jones was a key part of South Africa's World Cup winning setups in 2019 and 2023. He left England in December, reportedly unhappy with Steve Borthwick's system. Now he's back in the green and gold, even if many Irish fans had hoped it would have been back in the green of Ireland. Erasmus says Jones' return is a massive boost for the Boks. His deep knowledge of Six Nations opposition could be a game changer heading into the international season and heading towards the 2027 Rugby World Cup. The Springboks are looking to stay at the top, and with Jones back, they're reinforcing their squad ahead of the next World Cup competition. That's all for today's FloRugby update. How do you think Ireland will cope without their veterans going forward? And will Jones's return make the Springboks even stronger in 2025? Drop your thoughts in the comments section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll never miss a rugby update from FloRugby. We'll see you next time and thanks for tuning in.